Hi all, welcome to the PC Repair Centre's tutorial on how to enter an online support ticket. The first step is to open up an internet browser. Our browser of choice is Google Chrome, although you can use any alternative one such as Internet Explorer, Firefox or Safari. The URL that you will need to go to is support.pcrepaircentre.com. Once here, you need to click on New Support Ticket, which will bring you to this form here, which you quite simply fill out. As an example, we will run through a sample form here. Your company name, most importantly your phone number. It's important to include your company name in the subject. And a brief one-line description. We'll just say email not working, common enough fault, and the urgency as you see it, so we'll put it down as urgent. I'll say this is receiving but not sending. The final step is to click on submit, and the ticket is now being logged on our system. You will get a notification email to acknowledge this within your inbox. If you have any queries, you can call us on 042 93 35 355. Thank you.